Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Here is your ADA, your Cardano Trading Informant. And here is a really good update for our Cardano and a very important update, guys. Please watch this. So let me start here with this. We are here in the 1 hour time frame. Every candle is here 1 hour. And yes, guys, look at this. This is really interesting now. From the lowest point here over this point, we can make a line. This is our big support. Okay, yes, we are over this support is working, and the support is on $1. A really big psychological support. Okay, from the upside, from the highest point over this point here is coming this line, and this line was a big downtrend. And yes, we broke this downtrend, and since this point we went sideways. Okay, that's good, guys. That's a good point. Now look at this. If we are making a line from this point here, from this point here, this was a high. Over this point here, you can see we are forming a parallel channel. It's a parallel channel, and it's a little down going parallel channel. So we can make a line from here to here over here. The deepest point, or let me check. Yes, like this here. So we are in a sideways going down trend channel for ADA, for Cardano. And we have some interesting things to watch now. We may break out to the upside, and we have to watch this, guys. So let's remove this stuff. Let's remove this line here. Where it is. Here it is. Okay. And this is our downtrend channel. Guys, you know, a downtrend channel is always a red one. And here we are. And now you can see we are for the moment over this blue line. The blue line, the middle line, is working now as a support. You can see ADA is acting here really nice on this middle line. You can see it here, a spike to the middle line. Here again, here again. Here again, they try to break down, up and down. And here again. So this middle line is a really good middle line, and this is working now as a nice support. For now, we need a really big volume, and we need a nice volume to the upside, guys, because we need this power to break out from this downtrend, from this big downtrend. On the short time frame, we are here in this little uptrend, and as long as we are in this little uptrend, everything is okay, everything is fine. And you can see here once again, the blue line here is the middle line, and the middle line is working now as a resistance. So we are between this blue line support and this line resistance, and we need to stay over this one. This is very important, over this middle line. Guys, on the downside, you can see the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and you can see we are here on 43 points. Everything is okay, not overbought, not oversold, everything is fine. On the downside, if you're zooming in a little bit more, we have the MACD, and the MACD is, let me check, bearish. You can see it here. The blue line is under the brown line, and we are bearish because we are building here more and more red candles here. So, okay, let me zoom out a little bit more, and let's remove the RSI. It's not so important for us for the moment. Let's remove the MACD, and let's check this here. Let's check the ribbon band. I love this ribbon band, and let me check what's going on with this one, EMA ribbon, and here we are. So, let's zoom in once again, and you can see we have here a really nice green ribbon band with a long position since this point here. We are, for the moment, over the EMA 200. This is this yellow line. This is nice. This is our big support. We need to stay over this big support, and it is very important to stay in this uptrend channel also. But guys, you can see it if you're zooming in a little bit more. Here, look at this. The ribbon band, the green ribbon band, is now our resistance on the 1 hour time frame. That's not good. That's a bad thing. And we can make on the 1 hour time frame this one. This is a parallel channel from the upside to the downside, like this here. We can make it red here. And you can see one interesting thing, the next middle line, guys. So you can make these parallel channels, and you can see ADA is reacting so much on these middle lines. Every Bitcoin, cryptos, every cryptocurrencies are reacting on these middle lines. Look at this spike, perfectly hit at the middle line. It's unbelievable, guys. Here, once again, over the middle line, bam, down again. Here the fight with the middle line. These middle lines and these parallel channels are working perfectly. Okay, this is this picture. Now we're in a little downtrend. We need to break out of this little downtrend and up again. And this is the picture for ADA. What is now the bigger thing, guys? What is the bigger thing we can check? Let's check the daily time frame. Let's remove these drawings Let's watch this. On the daily time frame, we perfectly hit the EMA 200 line. This was this point here, a big spike down again, and now a nice little move to the upside. But you can see it here, ribbon band is now a red one. We have a short position here, and we have a red ribbon band, and Cardano is fighting with the ribbon band here in the moment. The last 3 days, fight with the ribbon band, but no confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. And for the moment, no confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band. So it's a little bit going sideways. And that's a very, very important fight. Now, if you're trading ADA here for a longer time frame, watch the middle line, watch the ribbon band here. And this is important. Can we break out over the ribbon band? This would be a nice, maybe a nice long position. And if we will break down, maybe this would be the next thing to go down again, guys. So this is this big picture. Let me check now the indicators. What is telling us the RSI? RSI is on 50 points, not overbought, not oversold. Everything is okay. We can try one thing, guys. We can make a trend line from the highest point here over this point to this point. This is our big resistance. And on the downside, you can see we also a line here. We can make a line from this point here to the upside. No, that doesn't work. From this point here over this point here, this is our support. And look at this, guys. If you're zooming in a little bit, you can see we lost our support now. We broke this support and are now, if you are watching on the RSI here, under this support. And this is a big problem, guys. This is a big problem. RSI is very important. We are now under this support, so it's maybe not the best time now for a long position. I would wait here for a clear direction, up or down, doesn't matter if you can short it or long it. I wish you make millions, guys, but I would wait here. It's not the best thing, and I would never make a long position if the RSI is looking like this and if we are under this green line here, guys. So let me check another stuff. Let me check the candlestick patterns. And let's check this here, the identified, here we are. So let's zoom in a little bit, and yes, that's not nice, that's not good. You can see it here, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bearish harami. These are bearish candlestick patterns, and maybe we're going down from here. This is not the best thing. If we can see here a bullish engulfing like this here, we are going up again. This one was a bad picture. Bullish engulfing, a little up going and then down, a dodgy down. So you can use these candlesticks. They are working normally really nice if you are using these things, guys. RSI, MACD, candlestick pattern, parallel channels, you can make really good money. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. But guys, you can make really good money. You can also watch my live streams. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Bitcoin Trading Informant is the name. I have some live streams with ADA, with Ethereum, with Doge, with Bitcoin. I have a live stream with 9 cryptocurrencies. You can see there everything you need for trading, guys. Watch this, please. It's very important if you are a trader. So now this is okay. This is okay. Let me check one thing before we end this video. Let's remove all indicators and let me check what is going on with our golden cross or with our death cross. We saw a death cross on Bitcoin. We saw a death cross on XLM. Now, what's going on here with ADA? Do we see a death cross? Or did we saw a death cross? No, we have a lot of time here, guys. Look at this. Here is the EMA 50. Here's the EMA 200. Both lines are not crossing, so no death cross for the moment. Everything is okay. We have some time here with ADA to see this death cross. For the moment, no death cross. Everything is fine. Let me check one thing. Last but not least, let me check the weekly time frame, and I will show you here the ribbon band. The ribbon band for the weekly time frame is really important. Where it is? Here it is. AMA ribbon band. Here we are. And on the weekly, we can see the fight with the ribbon band. A spike down, a spike on the first line perfectly hit, and we are still over the ribbon band. So guys, on the big time frame, yes, we are over the ribbon band. Everything is fine for ADA. It's not looking so bad. On the short time frame, on the daily time frame, guys, watch the fight with the ribbon band and watch the things I told you. And maybe you will see a nice breakout to the upside. Then you can make a long position. I would make this. I will make this. I will watch this. And guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, your ADA Trading Informant. Bye-bye, guys.
System activated.